Hey there, and welcome back to JK World 035, your trusted space for business ideas, motivation, and, well, success strategies. In today's video, we're going to uncover a golden question that's on everyone's mind. Which business is easy to establish, needs low investment, is highly profitable, and safe from downfalls? Make sure you stay tuned till the end, because I'll reveal the top business model that fits this description and give you actionable steps to start it today. Before we jump in, let's quickly define our goal. We want a business that is easy to set up, requires low capital, generates high profit margins, has a low risk of loss or market collapse, and is sustainable for the long term. Sounds too good to be true? Let's break it down. Let's be honest, no business is 100% risk-free. Every venture has some ups and downs. But some businesses are designed to survive economic changes, have consistent demand, and need very little to get started. After researching successful entrepreneurs and proven models, here's the best business type you can start today with low investment and high profit potential: a digital product business or an online service business. So, here's why this is, honestly, the top choice for so many entrepreneurs. First, you've got low investment. There's no rent, no inventory, and, well, you don't need any big equipment. Then, there are high profit margins. You create your product once and you can sell it unlimited times. Plus, you don't have to worry about storage or shipping costs at all. The global market is open to you. There's really no geographic limit. And it's resilient. Digital businesses keep working, even during economic slowdowns, because people always seek knowledge, tools, and solutions online. So, what can you actually sell? Let me give you some examples. You could create and sell ebooks, templates, or online courses. Or you might offer freelance services like design, writing, or consulting. You could even launch a YouTube channel or a blog and monetize it. Another option is affiliate marketing, whether it's for tech, fashion, or gadgets. And of course, there's dropshipping, but with a focus on a trending niche, like custom clothing or home gadgets. A lot of people dream about opening a shop, a cozy cafe, or maybe even a factory. But honestly, physical businesses come with their own set of challenges. Things like high rent, inventory risk, staff management, and of course, dealing with local competition. On the other hand, online business gives you freedom, scalability, and flexibility, all with minimal risk. Alright, here's a simple 4-step plan to kickstart your low-investment, profitable business today. First, pick a niche that solves problems. For example, fitness plans, study guides, marketing templates, or even graphic design. Second, create your product or service. Start small, maybe with a 10-page ebook, a Canva template, or a 1-hour course. Third, choose your platform. You could sell on Gumroad, Shopify, Etsy, Fiverr, or even your own website. And fourth, market smartly. Use free tools like YouTube, just like this channel, plus Instagram, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. Remember, success really comes from consistency. There's no magic business where you just press a button and money flows in forever, right? But with digital products or services, you can actually build a business that's easy to start, needs very little cash, is highly profitable, and can totally survive the test of time. So, if you found this video useful, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to JK World 035, and hit the bell icon so you never miss powerful business tips. Let me know in the comments, which business idea are you going to try? And if you want a detailed guide on starting any of these, just comment guide below. Oh, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for my recommended tools, affiliate links, and even more free resources to kickstart your journey.